Hey y'all, in this video I want to talk to you just a little bit about a less known pool hack for clearing fine debris on the top surface of your pool. So let me flip you around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, in my hand I've got a water bottle filled with a little bit of soap and a lot of water. You don't want suds in your pool. Now see all this fine stuff? I don't know if you can see it in this video, but there's like flying ant wings and stuff and dirt and pollen and just all over the surface. Now, I could spend, 5-10 minutes trying to go around and scoop it all with my net over there, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my water bottle, and from this end of the pool, and then I'm going to go to that end of the pool, all I'm going to do is give it a couple squirts right down the middle. And just like Moses, it's going to part. And we're going to see all the fine debris move right to the edge. And all I got to do is take my net and just go around and scoop. And it's so cool. So give it a couple squirts. Squirt, 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 squirt right down the middle. Gonna do it again here. Squirt, squirt, squirt right down the middle. Now, let's give it a few seconds. I love this trick. It was showed to me a few years ago by an older pool pro. Look at this. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see it, but the whole middle is completely clear, and now all the debris is here on the edge. All the way around. That is it. It's going to cut my time in half. Now there might be a couple stragglers out there, but I'm okay with that. So if you've got fine debris on top of your swimming pool and it's taking you forever to net it out, get the Moses water. Moses water is not my word. Another pool guy on YouTube said it and I loved it, so I'm using it. Put a little bit. I use Dawn soap. Dawn soap, it's amazing in swimming pools. They say it's phosphate free. I don't know if that matters, but that's what I use. You're gonna put literally maybe, depending on your water bottle, you want 95% water to 5% soap. Don't put a lot because you don't want suds in your pool. So what I do is I have this water bottle that I got from Home Depot. Okay, let me flip you around. Just it's Ecolab. You can get it at Home Depot, but I put up to that 8 fluid ounce of soap, maybe a little bit less, and then I fill the rest with water, and it works like a charm. I know there's gonna be some haters out there. Oh, you can't use soap in your swimming pool. You're gonna cause suds. I've been doing it 20 years, and I'm not the only pool guy that does it. So if you haven't done it, give it a try. If you've done it and you've had suds, you just use too much soap. And suds aren't a big deal. The foaminess, it goes away. You don't want it excessive, but a little bit is not a big deal. All right, any questions? Drop in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I have also got a SKOOL community, SKOOL. It's free for the first 35 members, where you can join and ask me any questions. You got me direct access to me. I've been doing this for 20 plus years. I started 3 pool service businesses from scratch, didn't buy a single account. And most of my business, thank God, comes from referrals and word of mouth, which I absolutely love. So come join the community. No more posting on social media, trying to find answers. Come directly to me. And not only me, but the others in the group. Somebody else might have the same question or same issue, and they'll answer your question for you. Fast, quick, to the point. SKOOL. The link is in my bio in the description down below, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.